い方。はいや。Coals are going. I got the offset out. Usually under a canopy, but I wanted to be out in the elements, so actual snow. Usually I use my offset strictly for offset smoking. Today though, I do have a pan down there with a little door cut out, because I will be putting coals in there, but I don't like getting them at the bottom. We are doing a New Year's Day surf and turf. Alright, I got a second chimney of coals going. This chimney's in with a piece of cherry wood. Temp is coming up to temperature. In the pit already, I have butter melting and some crab legs. Not completely frozen, partially frozen. If you keep them partially frozen, they steam themselves. Those will go for about 30 minutes. About 15 minutes from now, I'll baste them with the butter. And then I'll get the other stuff on. Got some oil going for some shrimp scampi. I have some shrimp skewers for grilled shrimp. And of course the crab. Crab legs, grilled shrimp, some scampi-ish, and there's the turf. Just some little steaks. They had great marbling though, so that's why I got them.
I wish I worked out so I can muzzle myself. Not in like that way.
It's freedom of speech.
Yeah.
Freedom of content.